Sure, let's dive into the problem we're tackling today. The main focus of our task at hand is solving a file renaming problem. The ambition is to methodically adjust the naming structure of a batch of files while adhering to a specific set of rules. Now moving into the solution provided for this file renaming puzzle. The initial step involves creating a series of files with varying names, all of which share a common pattern within their naming convention. The subsequent arrangement of the files showcases a mix of formats and numbers, providing the ideal ground for our renaming strategy to take effect. The core of the solution lies in a meticulously crafted script that employs regular expressions to extract and reinterpret specific parts of the file names. By leveraging this script, we can systematically retrieve and manipulate key elements within the file names to construct the desired format. Continuing with the script's functionality, after parsing and isolating the essential components of the file names, the script seamlessly executes the necessary adjustments. Through a series of conditional checks and manipulations, the script precisely molds the file names into the standardized format, ensuring a cohesive and organized end result. As the script reaches its culmination, the transformed file names are revealed in a neat and structured manner. Each file name now adheres to the designated format, refined and aligned according to the established naming conventions. Wrapping up this file renaming expedition, we've successfully navigated through the intricacies of standardizing file names with precision and efficiency. Remember, a well-organized file system is the key to a stress-free digital experience. If you enjoyed this journey, remember to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech adventures, and drop a comment below with your favorite file naming anecdote. Until next time, happy organizing!